Yo, what up, everybody? OMG, we are already late. Tony has to, she's so stupid. Tony has to sing in like 3 minutes. So prayerfully I don't miss it, and hopefully it's we're on Black People Time. Can you grab this? She's trying to back up. I don't know. She knows what she doing. Girl, I've been driving since we using diapers, okay? You stop it. You know, you think you know where you're going, but you ain't got your
But you really have no idea. You think you know. You had an MTV moment. True life. You think you know, but you have no idea.
All right. Like that in my face, like that. Okay.
You know how it feels up close and personal.
Doing.
Are you doing?
Booger anybody?
Is it?
Stop, girl. For real. We need to get this on her. Like, for real. Immediately. Immediately. Really? I'm gonna knock you out. It's okay. Y'all see how she... That's the Shay Westbrook, everybody. My boo. Like, what was that? Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday to your face. Beautiful. Oh, she went around. She went down. Dang. Let me make sure I get from over this hill. So, because I smell bacon over the hill like my pastor said.
Oh, try again. That we're not working.
Yes, I'm going to have to bust this old Yui. Oh, is that him? I don't even know. Is that him?
You should have just turned on Fifi and hit up. Okay. Look at that sky. It's really pretty up there. Look at that.
Jesus.
Take the wheel.
Take the wheel, Father.
I'm fearing for my life.
I ain't fearing for my life. But,
okay. Your phone not working. And I don't know if mine will either.
That ratchet phone better start working right now.
Who, yours?
Yes.
Sorry.
Sorry, car that's coming right now. Sorry. Sorry. Ooh, the shenanigans. Where we going, Fifi Road?
I even have my
Should I
phone.
take Fifi Gillenberg?
I don't know.
Speaking of
I don't know, girl.
I'm gonna take
that policeman, hope he didn't see you. And there you were.
Girl, he ain't see nothing.
You don't know now?
You don't see me, you don't see me, Kyle. Shut up.
Okay.
27.
I got this.
Well,
And slow down, because you don't know where you're going.
I know. And I'm driving like we straight getting there, you feel me?
We only 10 minutes away, but turn on Tillenburg, north.
27 down road.
Look, there go that car right there. Why Tony say he got pulled over
Here?
right before he pulled up to the place that he was to sing at tonight.
He got pulled over?
Yeah, he got pulled over. He was like, the cop pulled him over and was like, dude, like, this is a Dodge Spirit? He's like, yeah. He was like, how's this thing run?
What do you mean? With gas and a motor and an engine?
He was like, license registration, please. Tony gave him the license registration. He was like, dude, this is a Dodge Spirit. And Tony's like, yeah.
Keep saying
like, how does this run? He's like, it runs like a champ. He's like,
Oh, how does it run? Like it's running.
he was like, really? He was like, dude, I'm not even used to seeing this old of a car like run as well. And he was
like that.
But the great thing is he didn't give him a ticket.
Good.
He was just like, Tony was like, yeah, my buddy Keith Carr, he gifted it to me. And he's like, and I couldn't be any more appreciative, so I make sure that it keeps running. And he was like, well, you keep right on going. Let me give you your license. So I'm like, that is nobody but God, because he know he got a sing tonight. Like, oh, thank you, Jesus. No tickets. So we like to do the speed limit. We like to obey the law for the most part.
So why did you come over? He wanted to talk about the car.
God walked.
I'm going finally.
Heaven doing what now?
He would have been because I was on my way to your house coming down Lindbergh. Not Lindbergh. And it was like this just motorcycle gang of every type of motorcycle. The high ones when you ride up here, it looked like you
the choppers girl, yes.
It was the sporty ninja looking, and then it was like the other, like, you know, just average looking, but it was like 30 bikers.
You did it. You tried it on
average. They tried it, but they didn't make it.
They felt very surreal.
Yeah. But they was
I bet you they church with the cross to the side. And the bird.
You just want me to do it.
Do the cross to the side with the bird. Then. Hey, cross to the side with the bird. Hey. We just made that up for Spirit and True Church. So don't steal our dance.
I was just gonna say don't steal it. Don't steal it.
Because we think they got that cross to the side with the bird. Hey, that cross to the side with the bird. Hey.
Too much.
Just, yeah, a little bit. Turn up. Hey. Okay, what we doing making a left?
I ain't listen to her.
I'm need you to listen to her.
Go left, girl. Go left, girl. Go left, girl. Then you want to go left on the wrong, girl.
Okay.
Okay. Turn left. Then you gonna go left again. You need to catch up. She just saying what I just told you.
You mad at her or no?
See?
Or no?
Or no? You ain't turn up. You ain't turn up, TT. Turn up, TT.
Say turn up, turn up. The turn up queen back there. Tori, what you doing? You busy? Oh.
Beautiful guys.
Dynamite.
Dynamite.
If this church got a cross to the side with a bird, that's the official dance. Hey. Okay, we got. I can't even get it. I can't get the crook with you because you keep following me.
Oops. Turn it.
And it's like for the turn green. Ready? I got that cross to the side with the bird. Hey, I said that cross to the side with the bird. Hey. Hey, don't steal that dance, y'all. We love y'all, but that is trademark. Copyright. Okay, where we going? Left on the right?
I said left, girl. Y'all be paying attention.
You ain't right for that.
I told you answer.
You ain't right for
we
that.
both told her.
I'm turning around, okay? What's her name? What's your GPS name?
Her name is Sori.
Sori.
You gotta say it just like that, like you're trying to say sorry.
Sori is Sori. Sori is Sori.
No, don't call Sori Sori because you didn't listen to Sori or Deshae, okay? Y'all mad?
Or no. Tony hate that so much.
Or no.
Or no. That's why I do it. It gives me pleasure.
You ain't right.
It's okay. I'm righteous. Boom! Through Jesus. Not of myself though.
Spirit and truth. Sorry. I ain't got the side.
No. You ain't even gave it the second.
I'm looking.
You ain't even gave it the bird.
It got the cross to the side.
Boom, it got the cross to the side.
With the S, but not the bird.
They got the cross to the side.
Cross to the side, we gotta find a new dance move now.
Cross to the side with the S. Woo! Hey!
I'm not messing with you. I think we might be on TV time.
Oh, Jesus.
Because it's some people still walking.
Should I just park right there?
Probably could just park right here, take a boat spot. Bam. Whoop. Okay, maybe not.
I don't want to take a bus. Hey, we ain't trying to be diva.
Just look straight and then back straight in.
Listen.
Okay, no.
I'm a back right here. That's might look good. I'm a back this night. Paralleling, y'all. Say what? I told you I've been driving since he was in diapers, child.
Aw, they got on the same dress. My daughter's matching.
Oh, how sweet. Oh, look how cute they are. Show the people.
Can I find
just turn this back like that.
I can't find
and just find people.
But I can't find
and you can zoom it in. That's all you
I got to look. Hey, Cam. Can't even see anymore. Wait, you got to catch
oh my goodness. The shade. It's so.
You parked the car.
It's parked, honey.
Well, we beeping.
I'm done my part.
It's called mommy daughters, blue girls, mommy blue dress.
Okay, you got the creep cam on too long. The creep cam goes, it zooms in, it shows.
No, creep cam didn't see the people, so we had to show the people. Let's see that cross to the south, to the east.
Yeah, and
Come on, let's stand on our feet one more time in reverence of the Holy Spirit in this place. Just lift up a worship unto God right now. God, you're so worthy, you're so awesome. There's no place I would rather be than here in your love. The chorus goes like this. To set a fire down in my soul that I can't contain, I can't control. 'Cause I want more of you, God. Yes, I want more of you, God. Come on, if you want more of God, make some noise in the crowd. To set a fire down in my soul that I can't contain, I can't control. 'Cause I want more of you, yeah. To set a fire down in my soul that I can't contain, I can't control. 'Cause I want more of you, God. Here's a new song right here. 'Cause you give me water in the desert. You give me water in the desert. 'Cause you are the well. He's the well that never runs dry. That never runs dry. That's all it says, y'all. Sing it out. 'Cause you give me water in the desert. 'Cause you give me water in the desert. 'Cause you are the well that never runs dry. Hey, come on, put your hands together. I know it's new, but you gotta love it. You give me water in the desert. Here we go. Sing it out. 'Cause you give me water in the desert. 'Cause you give me water in the desert. 'Cause you are the well that never runs dry. Whoa. You give me water in the desert. You give me water in the desert. You are